This as well. If I don't like them, I'll throw. So I have egg poach. Jjajang Buldak challenge with my daughter. 1, 2, 3, go! Let's start eating. Okay. Oh my god, I went. Oh my god, matub.
So yummy.
Nice. It's yummy.
Yes.
Mm. You want to try mine? I want to try yours also. Okay.
It's so yummy.
This. Yes. I bring soup, okay?
It's not spicy anymore.
No, not spicy. I will bring soup. You can add this soup so that
What is this?
I don't know, it is there inside. Yeah, add this, mix. It will taste good. Wow, I like the taste.
I like this also. What is this?
Mix it properly.
I can use also.
Wow, this tastes too good.
It's not okay.
I will start happy.
Is it okay?
You just have to want. This is not spicy, right? Let's buy this kind of next time I'll buy, okay? Does that taste good? Wow. This is not that hot. Not that spicy, right? 2x. Yes or no?
It's not masala.
It's not spicy anymore. This is jjajang. Jjajang or jjajang? Jjajang, yes. Eat.
Looks like candy.
You like the taste?
Yes.
From next time we will buy this, okay?
Mommy, may I make it hot? Mommy, may I make it hot? Hana, you the pillow,
Hani sonam yok. I will eat another next.
내가 원래는 요즘 필요해서 미쳤어. 맘이 이어폰을 맨날 뭐래?
No.
미쳤어. 이거 아빠처럼. 맘이 너무 예뻐. I like this.
Yes.
Yeah?
It's not that spicy like dress.
Yes. What is it like, guys? I think it's not spicy.
Not spicy.
Yeah.
I'm I'm about to win this challenge.
Mommy, tangga sama Jjajang. No!
I mean when.
Mommy, mau tangga sama Jjajang? Kenapa? Mau kita mau laksa? Kucing kok kan sabu.
This is especially for kids, I guess. It's
No,
not that
you
spicy.
win.
I won.
No. It's a tingo why you win a tingo fountain.
Wow.
No. Molly ko so
I like it.
Mommy, long
We
not
have half only. Half.
Give me that.
Eat that.
Mommy.
You're losing.
No.
You're losing the challenge.
I'm
first.
Coco.
The challenge.
Mommy,
My girl.
I
won the challenge.
Nyata pushnya. You win me. You beat me.
Is that spicy?
No.
Do you like this?
Yes.
From next time we are going to buy this, okay? And then eat. Alright. Next time. Jjajang. Jjajang Buldak. Green one is Jjajang Buldak.
Yes. It's so yummy.
Yummy. You like this? And then tell your friends to have this if they like buldak.
I need a book. Mommy, come here.
I want, and then see, done. See my girl face. And then one, she took my plate. She
No.
liked the taste.